Hi, Mike Dyson with MarineMax Sailandski in San Antonio. This is a Harris Sunliner 230. Triple tune boat, performance package, full length center tune that's mounted an inch lower than the outside tunes to give you V-hull type handling, great performance. This boat features dual bimini tops, allows you to shade the entire boat if you like, leave them closed for lots of sun, or maybe just shade the rear of the boat. Harris does a great job with their railing, give it a nice flowing look, very upscale looking. Some notable features and options on this boat: LED docking lights, stainless steel flip up cleats. We've got an onboard battery charger that's going to maintain your battery levels at all time while it's plugged in. So you'll be able to come back to the boat anytime and know that you have a good hot battery. We've done the extended rear platform on the boat. Gives you more usable space, makes it easy to step on from a dock. Kids love being able to jump off there and play. We've upgraded the ladder to the 4-rung stainless steel ladder. This has great big grab handles. Goes really deep in the water. It is at an angle, making it easier to climb up. Good traction on the nice wide steps. One of the best ladders you'll find. Get lots of compliments on that. We powered this one with the MERCURY 3.4 liter. That's a V6, 200 horsepower, fuel injected 4-stroke motor. Gives it plenty of lively performance for water sports. Notice we have the optional water sports tow point there. So you can load the boat down with a good group, still partake in all your water sports activities. That motor also features MERCURY's digital throttle and shift for extremely easy operation, very smooth. And one of the more popular features, it does have power assisted steering. Most of your competitor boats are going to have a traditional hydraulic steering. Works fine, just not quite as nice as power assisted. Coming in the boat, this floor plan is what they call the center walkthrough dual helm seat design. Very popular layout. Gives you easy access throughout the boat. Gives it an open feel. You can have dual conversation areas, front and rear. For whoever's operating the boat and their passenger, they've got 2 high back bucket seats with folding armrests, making it very comfortable. The passenger is allowed to face forward, or the seats swivel. Angled backrest for comfort. Plenty of cup holders, including ones that are recessed into the bulwarks there. Fold up armrest, making it a very comfortable lounge there. We have the optional in-floor ski locker. It'll allow you to store skis, anything that's longer than what would fit underneath the seats. All the seats do open up for storage. They do have a water management system, so they have a drain around the seats when you have them open. So if you sit there with a wet swimsuit, things you have stored stay dry. Very high quality hinges throughout. This is the French gray color, or interior color, with the pillow top, so it gives it a very nice, rich feel. People always compliment on the diamond stitching throughout. Very upscale feeling. Dedicated storage under the helm. Helm is laid out quite nicely. Easy to read gauges. Switches are within easy reach. You have tilt wheel. Fusion sound system. Bluetooth connectivity. SIMRAD Go 5. GPS. CHARTPLOTTER. And SONAR. That's a color unit. That's touchscreen. Very user friendly. Very nice unit. 12-volt accessory plug, as well as a audio accessory inlet. Cup holders throughout. These cup holders are lighted at nighttime. You have an RGB control at the helm, which allows you to change the color of those lights inside the cup holders. That'll also coincide with your LED rope lighting that's built into the base of the seats. You can change the color, you can have them strobe, you can change the speed at which they change. Kind of a nice effect. Nice high back helm seat here. Matches perfectly our passenger seat. Passenger has a nice little catch-all there. Couple cup holders as well. Dedicated privacy curtain, changing room if you will. Allows you to get in and out of a wet swimsuit before you head home for the day or go in for a bite at a restaurant. That helm seat's adjustable forward and back, swivels, as well as it's height adjustable. That's an option that's on this boat. So we have a height adjustable helm seat.
Thank you very much for taking a tour of the boat with me. Feel free to contact any of our 3 locations in San Antonio, Austin, Lakeway. Schedule appointments to come by and review the boat in person.